Watch this cooler. Everybody's going to march in off the cooler into the nuke. There's a swarm. Pretty sure it's queenless. I raised queens, and had an empty queen cage that had a dead queen in it from this morning, and threw that in here, and they're all over that. But kind of impressive watching them do their little march, you know. So big cooler, big swarm. They're loving it. Look at that. Anyways, they should all be in there here in a minute. So they can't get in there fast enough. Have to give these guys a new queen. They'll be excited about that. They probably thought they were going to move into this cooler, call it home, but didn't work out for them.